Hey, what's happening guys? It's Bharat Nagpal for iGambled and today we're going to be taking a look at and basically reviewing the new Xiaomi 20,000 mAh battery pack. Now this is not easily available to everyone and it's not gone on sale in India yet, but the battery pack, which has 20,000 milliamps of backup power for your mobile devices, is going to cost rupees 1699, which is bloody cheap for a power bank this size. Let's go ahead, unbox it and take a look at what's inside, and then I'm going to be telling you my review of the new 20,000 mAh battery pack. Now basically, like every other Xiaomi battery pack that you buy, if it's an original one, it'll come with a holographic sticker at the back, which you can basically scratch. You'll get a number. You can put this number on the Xiaomi website and ensure that your battery pack is an authentic one, which is rare, and if you've registered it already, your number can't be used again, which is a fantastic thing so that you can ensure you're buying an original product. Now inside the box of the Mi power bank is basically the power bank itself. You'll also get a USB to micro USB charging and discharging cable, so you can use it to charge up the power bank, and you can use it to discharge the power bank and connect it to a device. You will also get documentation, which is printed in Chinese on one side, which was to my shock because I thought that the whole thing was printed in Chinese. But if you flip it over, you get the English print as well. So the booklet has English instructions as well. Now the power bank has this fantastic grip onto it. It has this texturized finish on the top, which not only feels great in the hand, it also adds a lot of grip while you're holding it, or while you keep it on a surface. The device is not going to move easily. It's not going to slip off any surface anytime soon. And it also adds this new look to the otherwise boring power banks. Now if you compare it to some of the other power banks that I have over here, I have the Xiaomi 10,000 mAh one, and also one from ASUS. Now both of these are metal power banks. They have a metal outer body, which makes them slightly heavier. But this 20,000 mAh battery pack is relatively lightweight and is completely plastic, and that may be half the reason that is relatively lightweight. Now you do have two USB out ports on the Redmi 20,000 mAh battery pack, which again is a fantastic thing. You can easily charge up bigger devices like iPads with this because it offers much more power backup. Now the downside to this whole power bank issue is the fact that you will require about 12 hours to charge up this power bank, which is a massive amount of time to charge up a power bank. But since it's a backup device, it can be on charge in the corner of your room somewhere. However, if you do have a 10 amp charger, the charge time will be relatively less. We found it charging between 8 hours to 10 hours. But if you have a regular 5-watt charger, then it's going to take upwards of 12 hours to fully charge this 20,000 mAh power bank. Now, like it says at the bottom of the device, you get two 2.1 amp outputs, so you can simultaneously charge two big devices. Also, it is between 68 to 72 watt hours for battery backup, which is absolutely fantastic. Again, ranges between 19,000 to 20,000 milliamps in terms of power backup. Now, the device does have a switch on the right side. If you look at it from the front, you can tap this button to check the charge on your device, also to restart charging in case you need to do that. You also have these 4 LED lights just below the micro USB port, which tell you how much battery backup the device has, how many dots of battery are still left on the power bank out of the 20,000. So each dot is more or less representative of 5,000 milliamps. The Mi power bank is fairly cheap for 1699 rupees. Really high quality batteries, so you can be assured that your device is not going to get a wrong charge, which is absolutely brilliant. You also get to carry a lot of power in your pocket. However, it is not the most convenient piece to carry around. It's relatively heavy because it weighs almost double of a standard 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. It's also huge, it's tall, it's wide. It's not the easiest thing to carry around. However, if you need the extra charge, if you want to put it in your backpack or bag, it's not a very difficult item to carry around, and it feels, and you also have that reassuring feeling that you will always have battery on the go. As far as money is concerned, this seems to be the best power bank that you can buy out there. The only problem is going to be limited availability of these power banks, which has always been an issue with Mi power banks, and hopefully the company can not make the people wait a lot for buying a power bank, which seems to be the essential need of the day. This has been Bharat Nagpal, guys. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. You can check out the Mi Power Bank as well as many other power banks from Xiaomi on their website, mi.com. And until I see you next time, guys, make sure you hit us up on iGyan.in, catch us on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube. This has been Bharat Nagpal. Thank you guys for watching.